I was talking about Murray garden tractor. I dismantled in here one day, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. And the tapered nose of the bolts they used in those tractors, I thought that was so interesting. Maybe that sped up the assembly process. It's just, you know, just drill a hole and use bolts that were self-tapping of the hole, and not even have a nut on the other side of the bolt. Probably someone's novel idea. Okay, there. If you didn't see my previous video, I'm underneath a Toro 265-6. This is an 820 6-speed transmission. I bought this tractor, I think it was October of 2018 for $100. There was something wrong with the linkage going to the transmission. Tractor has 1,260 hours on it. Engine just started up like it was brand new when I got it. Just ran beautifully. They must have changed the oil on it on a regular basis. I was going to keep the engine for a wing mower or a pull type mower. And I just want to pay off all my debts. I want to pay off my credit cards and my PayPal and all that. And so I get about 10 grand in debts, and I just want to do that. And I just have so much stuff sitting around that I'm just not using. I have so many projects, and you know, I pay $300 a month to store it on this old farm, and it's like, man, there's something wrong with this picture. And so okay, there. One more. Oh, darn it. Maybe if I could put the socket up just a little bit higher, I could get on the head. Okay, darn it. Wonder if the coyotes are running around. Sometimes when I'm here late at night, I can hear the coyotes out in the field. A few times I've been outside, I've heard the coyotes, and I'll go outside and shine my flashlight out into the field. And I think one time I saw, I don't know, must have been 6, 8, 10 pairs of eyes looking back at me. I haven't actually seen them around here. I see deer. I see turkeys. What deer and turkeys? What else do I see? There was a buck that I saw that I was seeing around here last summer and last fall. It must have been, I don't know, I think an 8 or 10 point buck. And I think the closest I got to him was probably about 80 feet. Of course, I don't hunt. I don't have any guns, and of course, I'm not going to fire at them. There's too many houses around here. Even if I had a gun and a permit, well, I don't own this property. I just rent some storage here. Okay, there. Let's see. It's going up. It's kind of a U-bolt. It's an interesting design. I had forgotten about these. This is the bolt, goes down through the frame down to the transaxle. So when I take the nuts off, there's not a head of a bolt up there that spins to slow down the process. So it's a novel idea. Okay, let's There's this other one. Okay, that one's still on there. That one's not loose. Maybe I should put a nut back on and then tap it. Wait, that's not the right size nut. Nut and tap it to get her loose. How many of these nuts have I taken off, and now I can't find another one? Sorry if the trouble light was washing out the light, washing out the screen. Shoot. Where did they all go? Oh, there they are. There's another one right there. What I don't like about trouble lights is it's if you want to spin the shield so it's pointing in the right direction. It's just not easy to do that on most of them, or at least the cheap ones. Okay, there. So I got a nut on both sides. Grab the hammer. Pop it. Oh. The darn crate is in the way. Oh, that's on there pretty good. Wonder if I have the strength to lift up this wheel on the tractor. Hopefully I've had some upper back pain from moving a storage shelf last summer. If I could quick lift it up, push the crate out this way, and then I could get a hammer on it. There. Oh, that one looks better. I got it under. Excuse me. These wheels on the back of the tractor are not stock. They are off of a Sears garden tractor that a guy gave me about, I don't know, 5 years ago. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, there's a guy I've delivered pizza to. He rides around in a little scooter. And he's huge. He's, I don't know, probably 400, 500 pounds. And I don't think he ate pizza every day. Last time I saw him, he looked like he had lost a bunch of weight. But he was living in this house, and he had this Sears garden tractor that didn't run, and it had been sitting there a while, and one day I asked about it, and he says, "Oh, you can have it. If you can get it out of there, you can have it." And then he had some other scrap metal that I took. He was happy for me to take the tractor off of his hands. But I think he moved out. But anyway, yeah, look at that. See the frame? So we got some tilt here. Ooh. Oh, darn it. Maybe I should have left those nuts on. What was that noise? Oh, that's my stomach talking. Hammer. I put a nut on the end of the bolt so the threads in the end of the bolt don't mushroom out. Or I don't know, maybe I should just take the bolt off, the nut off, let the frame pull the U-bolt out. Get the crowbar in there. That's a good idea. I got vice grips and stuff. It's kind of a mess right here right now. Put the crowbar in there. Ooh, look at the transmission twist. Oh, look, it's just come right off. Oh, look at that. Okay, there. Some dust coming down. It's probably the original bolt. Yeah, probably the original U-bolt. Unless someone replaced the transmission years ago. Somewhere down the line. Let's see if I can do this. Put this in here. I've wanted to take the frame from one of these tractors and make a wagon out of it. Okay, there. That's right there. Each wheel and tire is probably about 20 pounds. Transaxle with the hub is probably 75 pounds. I don't know what the rear of the frame, the gas tank is empty. The rear of the frame, I don't know, 50, 75 pounds. Let's see there. Really nice on these. I grabbed the implement lift lever up. It's up on the side of the tractor. Oh, I hope my back is not hurting. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I got this pain in my upper back, just below the shoulders. And it's from moving that shelf. If you go back in my videos, you can see videos from the summer of 2020 where I built a monster shelf. 4x8 shelf with 4 levels to it. It's just, I mean, I think when I finished it, before I even put anything on it, it probably weighs 500 pounds. It's just, darn it. Oh, look at that. It's in gear. Trying to get this darn bolt out. See that? Okay, we're at a funny angle. That's why it's not coming out. Okay, yeah, we're at a funny angle. It's going downhill. So let's see. How do I do this? Maybe I could do this. Oh, there. Okay, there. Look at that. Now, if I had another person helping me to lift up on the frame. Okay, there. Oh, hey, we're coming loose. Hey, we're almost there. Okay. Oh, we're almost out. Oh, my back. Oh, that's hurting my back. We're out. We got one of them out. Got the front one out. Oh, there, look at that. Okay. Okay. It's loose. Ah, got it. There we go. So I think, oh wait, the tire is coming off of the cart. Okay, grab the gloves. Grab my gloves. I think we're going to be pulling the... Darn, if I had another person here to help me. No girlfriend, no friends that live around here. No children to come and help Boyd. Oh, darn it. Okay, there's a notch there. I'd have to, okay, the tractor's tilted. Oh, darn. I wish I had my mini hoist in here. I got one of those mini hoists. They're made for lifting people that are disabled, lifting them out of a wheelchair, lifting them out of a bed. I got one of those and it's in the other barn. It'll probably take me 20 minutes to get it over here. Okay, let's lift up back in the tractor. Okay, that's kind of heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, back in the tractor is still kind of heavy. Unless lift it up, rest it on the tire, turn the transaxle over. Okay. These tires in the back of the tractor are they're in rough shape. They're older. They got cracks in the sides. Okay. Now I can lift her up. Grab another crate. grab another crate. Well, at least we got the transaxle out. Didn't get the engine out tonight. Got the transaxle out. Oh, that's heavy. This crate is... Oh, ouch. Okay, I didn't plan for that to happen. Yeah. Frame for these are pretty heavy yet. Oh, it pinched my hand. I think I'm gonna be fine. Excuse me. Oh, that's heavy. I should pump up that tire so it doesn't, oh, darn cracks. Okay. Okay, got that done. I think I'm gonna stop. Maybe record a third video. All right.